Does it mean we can't possibly drop another 10%? We could, but we're real close to the lowest we are likely to drop, and maybe we have already dropped to the lowest that we are likely to drop, and maybe 60,000 that we hit a few weeks ago was the lowest we'll ever see again. We don't know. Nobody knows. But that is why there's just no way around it. You want to go up Mount Everest and have Bitcoin change your life? Yeah, there's going to be some storms along the way. If you want to be the lucky hiker that doesn't experience any storms, there's no way around that. There's no way anybody can predict in advance a mechanism by which you are guaranteed to never experience a storm. There's just not. So here we are. Bitcoin's dipping. It's on sale. The price dips suck. And then everybody eventually wishes they had bought way more in the price dips. And then eventually people wish they had bought way more at any price before or after the price dip. Because in the rearview mirror, far enough in the future, all the prices look really cheap. The ones at the peak tip top and the ones in the trough, they all look cheap if you go far enough into the future. The same will be true this time. So you'll be fine. We're fine. Most importantly, nothing's out of the ordinary. Nothing that Bitcoin is doing now is not something it hasn't done half a dozen or a dozen times before. This is much less painful than historical bear markets because Bitcoin's a lot bigger now. It's bigger. It's got the Bitcoin ETFs. There's just a lot more bulk to the Bitcoin marketplace. There's a lot more users. There's a lot more liquidity. It's just, it's a lot less volatile than it used to be. So this one is already, a mini bear instead of a brutal bear. But nothing Bitcoin's doing, it hadn't done half a dozen to a dozen or more times.